Hello guys, so today I'm replacing a screen, the Samsung TU 49 inch. The problem with it is that it blinks a little bit, then turns back off. When you turn it on again, it blinks again, then turns back off. So with my experience, I know the problem is the screen, which will need replacement. But even before replacing the screen, I have to check the backlight if it's working. For a Samsung TV, you first check the backlight by removing the cable from the main board, then checking the main board also. If you check the optical light, you'll know power is getting into the main board. After the main board, we have to check if there is short at the Y board. So we remove the LVDS cable, the cable connecting the main board to the screen also. If it lights, then it means the screen is what is causing the TV not to turn on. It turns on, then shuts down immediately and blinks. After removing the LVDS cable, I've had the chime. It's a chime or the sound of Samsung. So the problem most definitely it's the screen. So before replacing the screen or removing anything, you have to test the screen first. That's why I'm testing it while still in the box, and being very extra careful, because this screen is very fragile. I'm using just a household torch as the backlight. Great picture. TV no signal. So the screen is okay, in good condition, no lines. So I'll have to first tear down the old screen. Here I'm just using the MasterCard, old one, expired one, to remove the screen gently. This work requires extra care, so you have to be very good at. Mostly this screen very fragile. It's a 4K screen with very nice pictures. So it's the best. The best advice is just to replace the screen, because it's cheaper than to buy a new screen depending on the region, and also it doesn't serve the client the required time.
What is that? Why do we need screens? Because I'm almost finished. Almost doesn't count. That's an issue. Almost doesn't count. Why does it not count? Almost finished. I'm almost finished. Please don't miss.
Love the sound of peeling that plastic paper, the bottom side. Almost through with it.
So that is our cartoon there.
Being extra careful.
Pale ulitoa vizuri hapo mwisho.
Hii ni karatasi. Hii ni karatasi.
Sawa.
Umeelewa? Kamera tukangiza.
Bring your hand. Bring your hand. Quickly. Stand like this. Bring your hand. Eat food. Stop playing. I just want to eat. Are you eating? Are you swallowing your food or is it just for you hungry?
Gani?
Naona bagi ndio.
Katikati ama
Sasa unaiona?
Wapi? Oh, hiyo hatujafunga.
nusu haya.
Nini? Kuna iko na pepa.
Oh, ni pepa.
Wacha nikutolee kidogo.
Ndio iko hapa. Oh, hii hapa.
Yeah. Sema nimeandikwa diwani. Nini pepa? Basi nafaa kutolewa. Si unaona kama yenye tumetoa hiyo. Inakuwa na pepa mbili juu ya kushika na fingerprints tu yake.